A very good morning to all our viewers. You're watching the breaking news show on CNN News 18. I'm Anjali Pandey here to take you through all the latest updates from in and around the world. Starting off this bulletin with some breaking news that's coming in. Now, there's this latest update on the Rahul Gandhi defamation case. Urgent mentioning of former President of Congress Rahul Gandhi's plea seeking stay on conviction to take place today. Now, this urgent mentioning request will be made before a bench headed by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, and Rahul Gandhi has challenged the orders of the Gujarat High Court order of July 7, denying a stay on his conviction. CNN News 18's Ananya Bhatnagar is joining us on the story. Ananya, a very good morning to you. Could you tell us more about this urgent mentioning of Rahul Gandhi's plea?
Well, definitely. This is, urgent mentioning that is to take place before a bench headed by the Chief Justice of India, Dr. Justice Dhananjay Yashwant Chandrachud. And remember, Rahul Gandhi had knocked the doors of the Supreme Court challenging the July 7 order of the Gujarat High Court, where a stay on his conviction was denied by the Gujarat High Court, saying that Rahul Gandhi's offense become much more graver because he's not only, defamed a particular individual, that is Purnesh Modi in this case, but a whole community, that too a community that belongs to the backward classes. Apart from that, the court had held that, Rahul Gandhi was, in fact, a former president of the oldest party in the country and still remains to be a key leader of that particular political party. And that's the reason why, in fact, his statements hold a lot of value. And in this age and day of social media, the statements travel with a lightning speed, and hence there is a high chance of a person getting defamed, and that's the reason why, in fact, his offense is a bit serious one. Remember that a trial court had convicted Rahul Gandhi in the 2019 defamation case filed by Purnesh Modi over an alleged speech of Rahul Gandhi in Wayanad, and wherein he had actually said that, the whole Nirav Modi and various other Modis are actually thieves, and that's the reason why, in fact, Purnesh Modi had knocked the doors of the topmost court of the country. In fact, has now knocked the doors of the topmost court of the country, seeking a stay on his conviction. If at all the Supreme Court grants a stay on his conviction, Rahul Gandhi can now then knock the doors of, in fact, the Lok Sabha Secretariat to actually revoke his membership of the parliament. And if at all that does not happen, there is no ground for Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi would not be able to fight the elections or would remain, in fact, the member of the parliament. He still is a disqualified member, and if at all this does not happen, a stay on his conviction is not granted, then Rahul Gandhi would have no way that he can come back into, elections and fight elections. But at the same point of time, if at all this stay on conviction is granted, Rahul Gandhi can approach the Lok Sabha Secretariat, can ask for a revocation of his status as a member of parliament. All of this is something that is subject to what the Supreme Court actually has to say, and whether what is very, very important to note today would be whether or not the Supreme Court would be allowing an urgent hearing in this matter, and whether any kind of a relief is granted to Mr. Gandhi in this particular case. Remember, senior advocate and senior Congress leader Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi would be appearing for Rahul Gandhi. He has been the key strategist on the legal side for Rahul Gandhi, where when it comes to, since the very beginning of this case, he was the one who had fought the case at the Gujarat High Court as well. And in the detailed hearing, he had well explained the defamation law and how this is not an exercise of moral turpitude. So we'll have to wait how things pan out at this point of time and see as to whether or not Supreme Court grants him any kind of relief.
All right, Ananya, thank you so much for giving us all those details. We'll keep tracking this story for more updates.